What's up everybody, we are playing Nuclear Throne. Well, I'm not just playing Nuclear Throne though. I mean, I played it for a long time anyway, so this is a little bit of a challenge. I'm only gonna use the pistol for the whole game. I'm not looping or anything though. Only killing the throne, and that's the end of the challenge. I'm pretty confident. I mean, the game is hard, yes, but I played it for a long time and I'm crystal. Wow, let's try that again. Okay, this time I'm gonna try hard. Yeah, this is the run. I can just feel it, guys. I can just feel it.
One hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
Is this it? Is this the end?
Nope.
Well guys, that's the throne defeated with the pistol, with the starting pistol. I don't think I could have done it without using the crystal shield because it deflected a lot of bullets. But I have done it. I defeated the throne with the starting pistol. That's it for the video. See you guys in the next one.